Why doesn't GoPro show ads of their cameras in action? Because their 36 million users across social media are already filming the sickest commercials. GoPro's app makes editing and sharing those mind-blowing clips seamless. Those epic moments hit the internet in an instant. But GoPro doesn't just make it easy, they gamify it too. The GoPro Awards let users compete for $1 million prize pool by submitting their most instant footage. The ultimate flex, getting your clip featured in GoPro's year-end viral video. This strategy builds a passionate community of content creators plugged into the brand. GoPro fans don't just use the products, they become the marketing. While other brands spend millions on ads, GoPro spends millions rewarding loyal users. It's user-generated content marketing at its finest. So next time you see an incredible GoPro video online, don't think good ad, think good strategy, empowering fans to create unforgettable marketing magic. Follow Brandshark for more such insights.